feeding your curiosity, fueling our passion. Let's satisfy our quest for knowledge with today's question.
Choosing between 4K and 1080p for a dashcam depends on your priorities. 4K dashcams offer superior video quality with finer details, beneficial for capturing license plates clearly or enjoying high-quality recordings. However, they come with a higher price tag and require more storage space. 1080p dashcams, on the other hand, provide good image quality at a more affordable price, balancing performance and storage needs. For most drivers, 1080p is adequate, but for those seeking the highest video clarity or using footage professionally, 4K might be the better choice.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.